we will discuss fennel. It is called soap. Fennel is widely used as aromatic spice. The aromatic odor, digestive properties, and sweet taste makes fennel a common mouth freshener after meal. But sometimes fennel is found to taste bitter. We will see why fennel tastes bitter. Here we will begin with biological source. In biological source, we will see 3 points: plant part, botanical name and family. The plant part of fennel is dried fruit. The botanical name of plant is Fenugreekum vulgare. It belongs to the family Umbelliferae, also called Apiaceae. Now we will see visual identification, also called morphology. The shape of fennel is cylindrical to oblong, called oval oblong. The fruit are 5 to 10 mm long and 2 to 4 mm broad. The color is greenish brown to yellowish brown. Fennel have characteristic aromatic odor. The taste is sweet and aromatic. Additional visual identification. The top of fruit has a conical, bifid crown-like structure called stylopod. Generally, the base of the fruit is attached to a stalk called pedicel. The fruit of fennel is glabrous. It means the fruit surface is smooth, having no hairy structure. If we talk about the commercial sample of fennel contains entire fruit as well as the broken fruit. In botanical term, the entire fruit of fennel is called cremocarp. The cremocarp may split into two equal pieces. Each piece is called mericarp. Now some feature of mericarp. The mericarp shows two prominent surfaces called dorsal surface and ventral or commissural surface. The dorsal surface of mericarp has 5 primary ridges, whereas the ventral surface has a carbophore. It is the carbophore through which the two mericarp remain attached. Shape. The mericarp is pentagonal in TS view. The TS of mericarp in microscopic observation shows 6 vittae, 4 on dorsal surface and 2 on commissural surface. Vittae are actually the oil canal. This is about the morphological identification of fennel. Next is chemistry, that is chemical constituent. Fennel is an aromatic herb. The aroma is due to presence of volatile oil. The major constituents of volatile oil are enethol, fincol, estragol. Fennel also contains other constituents like flavonoid, coumarins, glycoside, fixed oil, and proteins. Uses. Now uses of fennel. Fennel is valued in pharma industry as aromatic, carminative, digestive, diuretic, spasmolytic, and stimulant. Fennel also find uses as flavoring agent, spice, and as mouth freshener. Fennel is used as mouth freshener due to their sweet taste. But sometimes fennel is found to taste bitter. Now it is the time to know why some fennel tastes bitter. Bitter fennel is found to have two things. It has higher content of volatile oil and their volatile oil is richer in fincol content. Actually, sweet fennel and bitter fennel are two varieties of fennel. The two varieties resemble so much. In biological literature, a clear delineation at variety level is generally not made. We will see the differences in sweet phenol and bitter phenol as per pharmacopoeial monograph. First variety. Sweet phenol is Pheniculum vulgare, subspecies vulgare and variety dulce, whereas the bitter phenol is Pheniculum vulgare, subspecies vulgare, variety vulgare. They taste sweet and bitter as their name indicate. Color. Sweet phenol is pale green or pale yellowish brown, whereas the bitter phenol is green, brown or greenish brown in color. Oil content. The sweet phenol should have oil content not less than 2%. The limit for bitter phenol is not less than 4%. Enethol content in oil. For sweet phenol, the minimum limit is 80%. In case of bitter phenol, it is 60%. Fincon. For sweet phenol, the maximum limit is 7.5%, whereas for bitter phenol, the minimum limit is 15%. Estragol should not be more than 10% and 5% in sweet and bitter phenol respectively.